what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the earthquake effect on TikTok. So to get this effect you have to go here. This is the effects gallery. Now here I am in trending. Slide right until you find meme. Okay. Now remember this image. This is the filter. Shake. So this is the effect. If you are not finding the effect here, then you can go to discover. And here in discover you can search for earthquake effect. And these are some video with this effect. So tap on any video and you should see the effect button at the left corner of the screen. This is in yellow. Tap on it. Now this is the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you can see the record button. You can tap there, and from here also you can use this effect. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this earthquake effect in TikTok. Thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.